They're going to kill us. They're going to kill all of us.
He tried to break into the lab.
Close all the doors. Load up your guns. They're going to kill us.
How many more of you are out there?
Dead. They're all dead.
Who's dead?
Everyone.
This isn't his blood.
Of course it's not my blood. It's theirs. They killed them.
Who?
The animals.
What animals?
I don't know. They look like little meerkats. And a rhino. I swear, I didn't do it. They did it.
The rhino I'll believe, but killer meerkats? Are you on something?
No, I'm not high. I didn't kill anybody. I swear to God. It was the animals.
Prove it.
I'm not going back out there.
Cuff him.
I came here to help.
Put him in the Jeep.
Why won't you believe me? The animals are going crazy. They want our blood. They want revenge. Get off me. Stop. We can block the door with this.
That'll buy us a little time.
That thing run?
KD just fix it up.
KD, it's gonna burn him up in heaven to see me taking this for one last glory ride. Okay, Doc, hose me down. Hey, once I get out of here and the animals start chasing me down the hill, don't hesitate. Get into that chopper and get the hell out of here. You promise?
Absolutely.
Promise you something else? That kid you're gonna have? Don't name him after me. Toronto's a stupid name.
You're wrong. It's a brave name.
Okay, you sons of bitches. Dinner is served. Name's John Erickson for the role of Toronto. Self-submit, cell phone number here. Based in Los Angeles. Excellent swimmer and have my motorcycle license and can ride a motorcycle.